Well, there's a new smell in the house, and the birds are acting different. We've been feeling different, Atreya and I, but now they're dismantling their house over here. They've been having this little feud. You see this? You saw that? So they don't let Skinny into their condo. See, they got a condo. It's a. I'll film it inside one day because it's amazing how neat they are and how they build their nests. But there's this new smell around, and the birds are acting extremely different. And Trey and I are not feeling. Something's not right. I don't know. Just an update. Hope you guys are having a wonderful June. It's beautiful here.